Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to our Pragati podcast channel.
This is Adiba Naz of 8th Standard.
This is Vishnupriya of 8th standard. Today, we are going to talk about GST. Adiba, do you know what GST means?
Yes, Vishnupriya. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax. It is a tax we pay when we buy most goods or use many services in India.
That's interesting. Do you know when GST was introduced?
GST was introduced on 1st July 2017. Before GST, there were many different taxes like VAT, excise duty, and services tax. After GST was introduced, GST has replaced most of them with one tax system.
I often see CGST and SGST printed on shopping bills. What do they mean?
Good question. If we buy something within the same state, then the GST is divided into two parts, CGST and SGST. CGST is collected by central government and SGST collected by state government. For example, if the GST is 18%, then the bill may show 9% CGST and 9% SGST.
What about if I order something from another state?
Then IGST, integrated GST, is charged instead of CGST and SGST.
Adiba, I have another question. What is service tax? Is it still there?
Before 2017, services tax was charged only on the services like hotels, restaurants and salons, telephone bills and internet services. After GST was introduced, services tax are merged into GST. Now most of the services are covered under GST.
Can you give me some real life examples?
Yeah, sure. Restaurants bills. The GST is charged on the food and service. Supermarket bills, packaged food, soap, shampoo and many other products include GST. You can often see CGST and SGST separately on the bill. Online shopping. GST is included in the total amount you pay.
What about petrol bunk? Is GST charged there too?
That's a very common question. No. Petrols and diesels are not currently under the GST. They are mainly taxed through VAT, value added tax, excise duty. So you usually won't see GST on the petrol bills.
Yeah, GST had made tax system simpler, more transparent and easier for business and customers. This tax helps the government to provide better roads, schools, hospitals and public services.
As the responsible citizens and future leaders, understanding taxes helps us to understand how our country develops.
Thank you. Please like,
Share
and subscribe to our podcast channel.